Uh-oh.
What was that? That is wrong.
Oh, I realized what I did wrong now.
That is wrong.
I realized what I did wrong now. Don't.
You know what would be super good?
So bad.
You know what would be really good?
What?
Is if we actually had a pickaxe that could mine obsidian.
I know.
You had one job.
I'm so tired. I looked it up at everything. Oh my god.
That's a highlight.
No, please no. Please no. Anything but that. My grenade thing.
Just throw a grenade in there.
Oh, what the heck. Just started this mission.
Or you could throw some baffle dust in there. Good grenade there, love.
I thought. Ew.
You can just retype with the shit.
Okay, this will be the best grenade of all time. It's such a bad. Like, Hatters doesn't mean, like.
Too long.
I was paying attention to something else.
Not mine.
Dang.
Too long. Like, and then you throw it, and then it explodes in your face.
I really want to get this. This is stupid.
Save when they
But
end
I'm
their
not-
dialogue next time.
No. I'm gonna get it this time. And I don't need to wait.
Nice. There you go.
I love how they're just not paying attention.
That was good. Oh, no, it's a little bit too long.
There.
There you go.
3 grenades later.
Yes, Lee. I was just thinking that would make
No!
a really good grenade.
No! I got it the first time. See, look. I got his better than that. I'm screwed. How did you see? You're like, I got distracted because you're like, build it here, and this is only 3 across. I knew it wasn't like that. Look at this lovely.
What's so funny?
I just got so focused on how tall it needed to be, and remembering how tall it needed to be. I just.
You don't have to break the whole thing, love. You only
I know. I'm just breaking the side in here. Go away! Go away! Why did you have to walk over right now? I was doing everything so fine. It was gonna be fine. Just the last block. Not a problem. Gosh dang it.
That's really funny.
It's not funny. There you go. There's your freaking portal.
Did you light it?
Yes.
Cool.